If YouTube audio is not working on your Android phone, it is usually caused by incorrect sound settings, temporary app glitches, corrupted cache files, or outdated software. Follow the steps below carefully to fix the issue in a structured and professional way. Step 1. Check system sound settings first. Open settings on your Android device. Scroll down and tap sound and vibration. Inside this menu, select volume. Make sure the media volume slider is turned up and not muted. YouTube relies on media volume, so even if ringtone volume is high, videos will not play sound if media volume is low or disabled. Also ensure that Do Not Disturb mode is turned off, as it can silence media in some cases. Step 2. Force stop and refresh YouTube. Go back to settings menu, then scrolling to find and open apps page, then use search bar to find YouTube. Open the app info page and tap force stop, then confirm. This shuts down all background processes that may be stuck or frozen. After that, reopen YouTube and test a video. This simple reset often restores audio immediately. Step 3. Clear cache and data. If the problem continues, go to Storage and Cache in the same YouTube app settings. First tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be corrupted without affecting your account. If audio still does not work, select Clear Data. This will reset the app completely and log you out, but it fixes deeper software issues and restores default settings. Step 4. Update the YouTube app. Open the Google Play Store, search for YouTube, and check for updates. Tap Update if available. Outdated versions often contain bugs that affect audio playback, so keeping the app updated is important for stability and performance. Step 5. Restart your device. Finally, restart your phone by holding the power button and selecting Restart. A reboot clears system-level bugs, refreshes audio drivers, and restores normal device performance. After completing all steps, reopen YouTube and play any video. In most cases, the sound will work normally again. If the issue still persists, check your phone's Bluetooth connection or external audio devices, as sound may be redirected elsewhere. YouTube sound fixed. Enjoy your videos now.